And like I'll show you here. I got Craftsman BF wrench on. Wrench on. Yeah, 2165. Sears BF wrench. Sears. Maybe no combination wrenches. Those are metric combination wrenches. 6. 6 between free shipping. Anyway, let's go to let's go on research. Person Abia Brent Hot. V series, VV series. See, not standard right there. For 15 Sears with a crescent, natural crescent. 35 plus shipping for 11. So I could probably get like $25. I could probably get about 20, 30 bucks plus shipping. And plus shipping for mine for 11, 35 bucks, which is like 35 divided by 11. It's like, yeah, I could get $3. Well, you know, oh, that's that they do it. Oh, that they do it times like 10. Yes, yeah. So I mean, I could probably get like $40 for some wrenches, like $3 a wrench, or like $40, you know, for 15 wrenches for like, you know, so I could get something. Here's the screwdriver. Let's go like that. Then on the race condition on this. So should go buy it now. So should I come back now? I'll look at the lowest price ones. So you condition used too. Like 6. They're not in great condition. Not like great condition either. You see? Alright, all crafts. No, you're not in perfect condition either. So yeah. Depends on what you have, but I still could probably get like not in perfect condition, so and they're not in perfect condition either as crescents. I mean, you know, maybe I could get like level 13, maybe we see right there. See, I could probably get like $2 a screwdriver. I could probably listen in for like $2 a screwdriver. So, which I believe I probably could. Only screwdriver. You're $1.50 lot. So if I did $1.50 times 10, that'd be 15. So I could probably do $1.50, bro. That's nice. So yeah, so that's just my stuff. I have this flip on eBay. A BF wrench slot, a Craftsman screwdriver, so I'm gonna check some of them up. And I have a V, some individuals wrenches. But yeah, for the most part, pretty solid. Pretty solid so far. So I was looking them up, each and one individually listed, right? Off brands. All the name brands I was looking up unbranded. Every name brand I was looking up individually one. And I was typing in the number, and if it's sold, like within the last 3 years, we have a couple sold in the last 3 years. Or maybe I took it, and I listed simply if there's some, but if there's like maybe one sold in the last like 3 years, and there's like, or maybe like, but if there's like a few solds, like 3-4 solds, like at least a couple solds of that one. I don't want to sell just one, and it's a one-off, and it's like maybe a $5 one for shipping. In excellent condition. But yeah, if it's like, but I just looked at the price. Yeah, if it sells in excellent condition for $10, and there's like it's sold 20 of them. Yeah, I'd sell mine for maybe a little bit less. In some excellent conditions. If it's an excellent condition. So yeah. Let's do that, and then my one would be list a couple lots of wrench or another lot of tools. Another lot of tools. Another lot of tools. Another lot of tools. Another lot of Crescent BFs. A lot of Crescent screwdrivers. And maybe some individuals will see, so I know there's a few, but yeah, we'll see. So most of it's a lot, but that's fine by me. It's less work to list, but I'll take it. I have another lot coming on. I have another lot coming from an auction house. They shipped it on. They're shipping out next week. I have another lot coming from an auction house, and then I have an auction house lot going on. Next week too. Like next week I might get one, and then I have one auction house that doesn't want to ship their items. Like even slower shipping because one I contacted them and they said, oh, the third. And like, oh, we're gonna ship your items out. You want shipping, right? And they actually and they're like, want my money. And they never actually, and they're like, oh, the auction house is gonna ship it. Yeah, bogus. Eventually they don't ship, I'll call them out on it. I already called them on it, so I don't know how to do it. I'll call them out straight on YouTube right here. Like, I have absolutely zero problem calling them out. Calling them on YouTube. Actually, zero problem. Publicly calling them out. Like, I have zero problem. I understand like being slow, okay, to ship items. Okay, but it's like literally been like almost 2 weeks. Literally no call. I didn't call you. You didn't call the shipper. You didn't call nothing. So I mean, I even requested shipping, so like they even called me. I said I want shipping, so